day. The guys are working out, Byron's training them, they're gonna start doing some, I don't know what they're doing, but it's pretty cool. A little gym vibe, everyone just works out here. And yeah, really awesome being in the vegan house.
Walking on the line, and I saw the last way, running raps like yesterday, and the ambition goes down my back and out through my toes, and I realize you got the feeling inside. I realize you got the feeling like I'm around. I'm on my way in by her tiny toe. She's got me and I can't go, and I realize you got the feeling inside. I realize you got the feeling like I'm around.
So we're at Andy's place, we're making vegan dinner. Hi Anne.
Lentil curry.
Delicious.
It's delicious.
Oh, so good. Some coriander. Oh my god, so exciting.
Carb.
Hey guys, I'm on my aunt's farm. There's tons of animals around. It's really peaceful out here. It's super quiet. That's my cottage where I stay. Basically, everyone that works here has decided to go on this detox diet. It's almost vegan. A lot of what they eat is just what I eat normally in a day. More bananas, fruit, vegetables, and like soup. I was sitting eating my lunch, and then they start talking about how they love to eat like bacon and chicken, and I'm like, you guys work for Animal Anti-Cruelty. Like, how do you eat animals, and how do you think that that's okay? Or why have you not even made the connection? It's especially disturbing because there's this adorable pig. Oh my god, he's so fat and cute, and his name's Jackson, and Jackson's chilling there and they're talking about bacon, and you know, I just don't get how people can't make the connection between the two. So that's been a little bit frustrating for me, especially just coming from my friend Andy's house, and like there's all vegans living there. Everyone's like, yeah, be fit, be vegan. I forgot that there's actually other people that live in the world too that don't think that way. But hopefully I'll have a little bit of influence on them while I'm here. Other than that, just been doing some admin work here, helping my aunt out. Now I'm just chilling. Yeah.
Walking on the line, and I saw the last way, running raps like yesterday, and the ambition goes down my back.